Definitely on YouTube, every corner you look, you must see a particular video telling you how you can make money by just watching ads or watching YouTube videos on some websites. And these videos get lots of views, likes, and comments from people because they sound so easy to do. Signing up is quite easy, and the best part is for just signing up, you get to get some amount of money to your account, and it is very cool. And it is just easy as just watching ads that runs for some seconds and you get some money. So because of the way these things are going, I decided to make some research about these websites they share that shows different methods you can actually make money by just watching ads or watching videos. So on this video, I'm going to share with you my findings on my research, and if you have seen one of those videos and probably planning to give it a try, you might want to watch this video to the very end so that you know if it's something you can actually do, or if it's that true the way they make it sound on YouTube. And of course, if you are going to be able to make money, because I tried some of them and then I researched some, and I'm going to share everything I found out on this video, so stick around. So the first one I want to talk about is called Winton. Now, the place where I learned about this website, the person that introduced this did not really name it, but she referred people using her link to the website so that they can get registered and get started. And if you use your referral link to invite people, the person you refer gets $5 once the person registers, and you get some money as well. So this is quite cool. So if you check out the website, so this is how the Winton website looks like, and it says earn money watching new videos online. You see, you watch videos, commercial ads, movies, TV shows online, and then you refer your friends, and then you get $1 for referring somebody. Your friend gets $5 for being referred. And as the money flows in, you can transfer it into your bank account, PayPal account, and more options. So here are the partners they have. So to get started on this website, all you have to do is just to click this sign up button, and you put in your first name, your last name, your birth name, gender, and all those stuff. You click your not a robot, and then you create account. That's very easy. And upon getting your account created, if you were referred by somebody, you get $5, and you have 4 videos to watch in a day. And these videos are YouTube videos. And then at this point, I really got thinking. I was like, why would a YouTuber bring his or her videos to this website or partner with these websites to show their videos to people? Because I know that, like, even as people run on YouTube, like with their videos, the views they get from those videos don't really count in watch hour, although they use it as a way to create awareness for their YouTube so that people get to subscribe and come on board. So but I discovered that the people that have their videos on this platform don't even know their videos are there. Yes, some of those YouTubers don't really know that their videos are there. So what they basically do is they get some catchy YouTube videos, and then they put in some seconds of those videos on their website. People come, they view, and then some imaginary figure appears on their dashboard. So I still went further to make some research to know about the ratings and what other people are talking about this website. So on Trustpilot, here are my findings. So coming here, you will see a lot of reviews that people have done about it, even blog posts that people have written about this website. You click this first one that says from Trustpilot, you're going to see that this one says, please don't lose your investment. They have taken advantage of many people. They have a lot of pretenders in their Telegram group who make bogus claims while pretending to be successful and advertising the company as being legitimate. OMG is so bad. Stop right there. So the whole reviews I'm getting from people are very much bad. It is a very negative review from people on this website. So if you still check other ones, you will still see what people are saying about the website so that you know and be guided. So the second app is called Cashflip. This one I've shared something about it previously in one of my videos. So the website looks like this, and just like the previous ones, you get your attention from brands using ads, and you invite friends, and once your friends registers with your referral code, you get $5. And then they offer many ways for you to get paid once you make money on this website. So to get registered with them, you click sign up here, and then you fill out this information and you sign up. So it is that easy. So this particular one works similar like Winton that I just mentioned. What they need you to do is just to watch some few seconds ads, and for registering on this particular one, you get $10. And once you are done registering, you have 5 videos to watch in a day. And once you are done with watching these videos, they credit some cents into your wallet. And this one also, for just signing up, you're going to get $10. The payment threshold too is quite high, so you will struggle to be able to get more people so that you'll be able to get to the threshold so that you can withdraw your money. But the truth is, even if you get to that threshold, you will not be able to withdraw the money. Now, these are the findings I made because I tried this one myself, and then if you go to the reviews too, you also see that people are actually like saying negative things about this website. Nobody said you're able to get paid. In fact, what they do is they use you to run ads. Like, you watch the ads for them and they make money without you making any one. So you're literally going to be wasting your time on that website.
So the third website is called Software.B. This is what the website looks like. So it's more like they pay you to click on this website, and they offer to place any of the three types of advertising or all go together. Like, they place banners, pop-up windows, promotional videos on your screen anytime you start browsing. Like, before you even get paid for on this particular one, you will have to download their extension. So to make money on task, you click here, and once that has opened, you're going to see a lot of things. You can earn by joining the affiliate program. You can watch videos to earn money. You can view advertising banners, visit advertisers and websites. And the benefits of using this website is you can multiply. There are a lot of things they have written here. And of course, it is easy to withdraw. And to get started, you click here to start making money. But if you want to know more about how it works, you click here. So here how it works. You register yourself, you sign up, and then you install their extension because you have to install it on your browser, and then you choose start, and instant withdrawal of 0.03 cents.
Now, for this particular website I just shared with you, they're actually going to pay you, and you know that the payment threshold is quite very small, like 0.03 cents. So you can easily reach this threshold and they start paying you. But the problem is, before you get a substantial amount of money on this website, it's going to take you forever. Like, they pay very low amount, and before you get to make like $1 on this website, you must have invested a whole lot of time. And of course, before you start making money with it, you will have to install the extension on your browser, and this is quite risky because anything you do on your browser, they will keep popping up ads from nowhere, and you don't know if they are collecting any data from you, or it's just annoying to be working and you're seeing ads popping up from anywhere. So I would not recommend this website for anyone to start using to make money, and it's totally waste of time in my own opinion, given that the money they pay is quite very low. Now, before I continue with the last website for this video, please take a time out, like this video so that other people can see it, and be careful when they see these videos, and make sure to subscribe too so that you get more videos from me. I really appreciate you, and please let me know in the comment section if you've used any of these websites or if you've come across any of these videos. I'd really love to hear your experience. Now, I'm also going to give you a bonus tip towards the end of this video. Like, if you're really interested in making money by just watching ads, I'm going to show you some legit sites where you can actually go to get these videos and watch and make money. And the best part about the sites I'm going to mention is that they have other things you can actually do to complement and make money. So the last website is called Paid Reels. Now, on this website, they have different packages: the premium account, the basic account, and the free trial. And on this website, once you watch a video, you earn some cents, and in a day you can potentially make $1 from just watching videos, and in a week you'll be making like $7 if you keep watching videos every day. And payout threshold is $10. Now, for this website, the other packages they have, you have to pay for its membership before you be able to access other videos, and then you keep watching and keep making money. And their price tags are on the website. Now, since the payout threshold is $10, in a week that they're going to give you free trial, you will not be able to make up $10. So you'll be tempted to subscribe to any of the package that you can afford. And this website says you can make over $1,000 in a month by just watching videos on their site. And they're actually going to pay you, because I've seen testimonies of people that claim that they got paid from the research I made. But the thing is, it is quite risky, because if you're going to be using your money to buy their membership or whatever package they have there, they can decide to close the website any day and you will not be able to make your money. So I don't really think it's something you should like consider. Like, once you see any of those videos, you should know that it's quite risky for you to like put in your money to make money in return, because if you're investing money, you should look at the profit potential. Now, in this very one, you can be earning, but you might not be profiting. They are two different things. So you have to be careful and stay away from these websites that I've just mentioned. And I know that there are some of them out there that I have not really come in contact with. But once you see anyone on YouTube and you know they get lots of views, before you start testing them or start trying them out, make sure you make your research about them so that you'll be safe and you will not have any problems along the way, or even lose your money or waste your time. So like I promised, the website that you can check out if you want to make money by just watching videos and ads, you can check out websites like Timebox, like Free Cash, and Swagbox. Now, the truth about all these websites is that they're not really going to pay you that much, but they have other ways like taking surveys and other things you can do on the website to earn more money. The real thing there is that they're going to pay you once you've been able to get to the threshold and you know that it is 100% legit. So you should check some of those ones out and make money with them if you really want to make money by just watching ads and videos. So if this video was helpful, please like, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how you can make money online. I tell you about the ones I have tried so that you know where to get started from. And if you're looking to check out some remote jobs from Netflix, you may want to check out this video and other videos on my YouTube channel so that you know where to get started. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.